In this video, I'm going to give you guys a $1,200 per month plus super easy remote side hustle. And these positions will fill up fast, so you definitely want to jump on it. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video so you can know exactly how to jump on this remote side hustle. Also, this remote work may not be a good fit for you, but if you are interested in learning how I made 6 figures from home through affiliate marketing, I have put a link down in the comment section. And lastly, welcome to the channel. I definitely appreciate your support. Now, this is going to be contract work through a company called Working Solutions. So I put the link to the website in the description section, and the only thing you'll come here and click apply to work from home. And many big companies come to Working Solutions to find great people who like to work from home to work with their company. So one of the companies that's looking for remote workers is called Datalot. And your job is just to connect customers to companies based on their needs. And that could range from anything from health insurance to home improvement. And this company is open 7 days a week, and here's their hours of operation, and you could work anytime you want in between that time. You pick and choose your schedule. There's no special skills needed or educational requirements. Only thing you need is just to be good with people. And you can make up to $15 an hour with Datalot, and a lot of them have incentives where you can make even more than that. And the cool thing about being a contract worker with Working Solutions, they have plenty of companies to choose from, and they're adding them daily. So if you are looking for more side hustles and remote work opportunities, I would suggest you watch this playlist next. So if you're on TikTok, don't forget to like and follow me, and if you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and sub. Peace.